For this Jingle project, make sure you use Safari to access the website purple-planet.com, and then you're going to request a desktop site. That way you'll see the full array of themes you can choose from for the music for your jingle. Choose your theme, and within that you will see a list of other types of music that fit that theme or that vibe or that feel, and you will choose it. Once you find the one that you like, make sure you press the download button, click it, and that will take you to this screen. And this is where you actually download the MP3 onto your phone. Hit download, and then you're going to exit out of there and you're going to go to GarageBand. Create a new project, audio recorder, hit the grid tracks view, press the plus sign in the right hand corner, and then you're going to hit where it says 8 bars, and you're going to make it automatic. That way you can fit your whole track into the project. Once you do that, hit the loops button, go to files. It should be there. If not, you will browse your phone and then add it, and then just drag it over into the project. Then you hit the bottom left hand plus sign to add another track, audio recorder, and then you're going to start recording. This is where you record your vocals for your jingle. Then you're going to hit the track view again. It's the button that looks like a grid. And make sure you're recording this using headphones. All right, once you've checked everything, you're going to exit out of it by pressing My Songs in the top left-hand corner. It's going to automatically save. Put your finger over it, and then you're going to share it as a song. Share. And this time, you're going to share it by emailing it to me. If your email doesn't pop up, you can always share it to your Google Drive and then share it with me again. You're going to share it to the same email address, which is sirmusical@gmail.com. That's sirmusikal@gmail.com. Once you do that, make sure that the subject line says your name, your period, and then jingle. Then press send. Again, make sure you use headphones when doing these projects with the GarageBand. If you have any questions, please email me, or, as I prefer, send me a message on Remind.